back to another adequate unboxing video. This is the Nest Hello. It's a video doorbell and wired. Oh, didn't get through there. Oh. There we go. So, nice box. Know who's knocking. HDR video, HD talk, person alert. Whoa, person alert. Pre-recorded quick responses. Quiet time. Huh. And, just pull this little itty bitty tiny tab here. No big deal. Ugh. Oh. Oh, my wrist. Got it. Halfway there. Hello? Look at that. Popped right out of the box for me. And it came with a hair. Maybe that's my hair. It's got a camera and a button. Oh no. Instruction sheet. Apple Watch charger. There we go. A sticker. It mounts to this. And this box. Oh. Whoa. We got, what is that? What are these things? We got some screws. A couple of these funky guys. Got this, is this? I may never know what this thing is. Let's see the instructions. It's a release tool. Ooh, a 15 wedge. What's this, golf? Mounts like that. So it's mounted at an angle. Follow the instructions in the Nest app to install. Okay. Oh, we got a little sticker here. Let me grab that. There it is. Nice. Whoa.